a 1998 Lincoln Mark Viii here. I've already pulled the drain plug. It's a 15mm plug. I'll put that back here. So you guys figure out the pull drain plug is out here pretty far. But I wanted to show what the filter is. It's kind of more difficult. It's got a 4.6 liter V8 4.1. And then I kind of put the filter in the same location as the Crown Vic, but the front suspension frame is different. Take that. So the oil part's done. Take 6 quarts, 5 to B20. Synthetic blend motor graph oil is recommended. Okay, so we're gonna go around to the other side here. You can see it right there. It looks pretty simple, but you actually have to wiggle it out of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my strap wrench. Coming down right there. Again, this is kind of this area on the front. And little turns and up loose. With that stall drain, all you have to do is you flip it back there actually. Grab it, spin it this way. That is really difficult. Grab it. Back. Back. You just kind of flip it. It'll eventually fall through. Awesome. A little hard to see. Right there. Take the new one. There we go. There's the gasket. Basically, this one to review. Push that through. Get it up and push it up in. You're gonna have to turn it. Turn it this way. Push it through. Spin it. Back on. How much? So this color's not fun. all tight up. Now, we want that leak. Take it all off the breaker. And that's 1998 Lincoln Mark Viii. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.